Look, Musnir. This is Mummy. And this is Musnir. And this is Mirha. Okay. Now Mirha is asking Mummy when it is Ramadan. Say.
Mommy, when is it Ramadan?
When there is a moon, then there is a Ramadan. So Musnir and Mirha go and check, is there a moon? Come Musnir.
Okay, let's go.
Fine.
Is there a moon? Come, stand up. Is there a moon?
No.
No moon. Okay, Mummy, there is no moon. Okay, goodbye, sleep. Let's see tomorrow. No, they are sleeping, okay? So it's next day now.
Mustard, let's go check if the Ramadan moon is here.
Say okay, Mirha.
Okay.
Okay. So is Mirha and Muslim, is there a moon?
No.
Not yet. Okay. Go and sleep. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Go Mirha and Muslim and check, is there a Ramadan moon?
Yes. Yeah.
Yay!
It's a Ramadan moon. Yay. Ramadan cream.
Ramadan Kareem!
Ramadan cream. Okay. Do you know, Mirhan Musnir, in Ramadan, the doors of
Fire.
एक ही जगह रखो. The doors of hell, Jahannam, being closed. Can you please close the door, Mustanir?
Yay! Let's close the door.
Okay. And do you know one more thing?
What?
That Shaitan also got chained.
Shaitan is
Can you
no.
see? Shaitan is chained now.
Oh, look, he said something.
Also, how the word is Ramadan.
So, what is in this picture, Mustanir? What is?
He got chained.
Who got chained?
Shaitan.
Shaitan. And do you know, Mirhan Mustanir, one more thing
What?
in Ramadan? What is this?
Heaven!
The doors of heavens are opened or closed? Open. In Ramadan, doors of heavens are open.
We could go up the stairs and have some fun.
Yes, if
we
you
do
will do good deeds in Ramadan, you will go to
Jannah.
Jannah.